You want to taste the elephant?
No.
No? Put it in there. I already tasted this. Do you want to taste it?
No.
It's gross. Put it in there.
No.
She doesn't taste good. You're embarrassing me right now. Ooh.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Ew. Yuck. Uh-oh. Ooh, that's nice. What about this car? Should I taste the car?
No.
Ooh, yuck. Does not taste good. Ooh, you got an award? It's nice. I like it. It's nice.
Contact.
Yeah.
Contact.
Contact. Why don't we cook this football? Let's taste it. Ew, yuck, that does not taste good. It's gross.
Contact. Contact.
Contact. Whoa, almost fell over. Oh, did it break? Do you want me to fix it?
No.
You can fix it. Baby toys in here.